Hello, I'm Joe Fox from Fox Media Lab. I'm going to talk to you for a few moments about the future of internet communications. Digital users are surveilled through the use of every digital appliance we use to consume information, converse, and transact today. In our way of life, we use our mobiles, tablets, computers, and all sorts of other incarnations for these purposes. Digital communications are used in all forms of communication, even that of interpersonal, as it is so intrinsic to our overall communicative interaction. So security from invasion and privacy will continue to be of the paramount concern for any active user of the internet in the future. Many people are upset over the never-ceasing attempts of governments, information pirates, and corporatocracies gathering, analyzing, manipulating, invading, or otherwise using our personal information and data. Digital freedoms are eroding for greater control by these concerns. Future internet and electronic communications in general will enable groups of like-minded individuals to create collectives in the future. Countries will not be defined by geography, but by ideas. These will be non-governmental countries, or NGCs, or countries without borders, CWBs. Future of internet communications. New technology will appear soon addressing the override questions of privacy, security, and accountability. The future of internet communications will require that conversations and transactions are done in the spirit of and actual privacy, unless expressly mentioned otherwise for inclusion or exclusion. A conversation in any available means is any available means to communicate electronically. A transaction is anything that is processed, usually money, but not always. Encryption and authentication are currently the primary means of internet security. We call this the old internet, used for Facie, Linky, twitty, etc. The future internet network will have a language that is entirely alien to the typical present digital languages. It will have the following key features that are not available in current internet architecture. There'll be no addressing. If there's no front door and no back door, and certainly no trap door, information thieves cannot get in without a jurisdictional court order. No programmer is required to run it. Once a business class is built out like banking or exchanges, it will require only project managers and no programmers. You can do it yourself. No more safe installers that unquestionably break back into your valuables. It will have the ultimate in security. It will be able to be worked on concurrently in nearly every major language on Earth from multiple locus points simultaneously. It will have an unlimited amount of business and technical classes that can be made, and any of these types of tasks and classes are unlimited. It will be scalable to the extent that does not exist in current internet. Banks, exchanges, currency systems, census bureaus, health systems, governments, multinational corporations, and yes, you, the individual, may build to your capabilities. Doctor-patient communications can be private and secure. Banking business is private for their customers. Financial exchange, communications, and transactions can be private, secure, and completely accountable. Reporters may correspond with their sources privately and securely. Conversations between heads of states and you and your mother can be private and secure. Direct democracy elections with the ultimate in privacy, security, and accountability may be built with without being infringed upon by any party with the ilk to do so. An older, wiser NextNet will provide a new level, a new model for networked groups and individuals. It will be new technology that marries some of the finest elements of its predecessor with the future network's new language. You and your network is ensured to have the ultimate in security and privacy. The future internet central objective should provide opportunities to the people wherever they may be. It should have a high degree of accountability for governmental and financial concerns. The new internet will grow because of open source intentions and could stimulate the wholehearted volunteerism as networks succeed. Once early adopters are up and succeeding, we see them aiding the less experienced. Please be advised, these are my opinions, and you may use your own research to validate or disprove entirely or specific parts of my inductions. Thank you and have a good day.